Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today, we got some changes we've done to the Mustang and a change that I'm gonna do to the Mustang today, because I've been wanting these for a while. Man, I've been wanting these for a while. I've just been hesitant to buy them, but I said screw it, let's get them. And I did another change and another small change. And what we have going on right now is, well, I already started. So what we have going on right now, yeah, I got the, okay, what we have going on right now, we're getting new headlights. So new headlights, and some people are gonna like these new lights, some people are not, and that's okay. I've been liking these for a while, and I think with my current look, I think they're gonna look really good. Let's go and show you the new lights. And yeah, I already opened the box because I'm impatient. See if you guys can figure these out and see what they are. Yeah, these are the Vaxium ones. What Marimoto makes some too, but these are the smoked ones. I wanted the smoked ones. I don't think Marimoto makes smoked ones, so, and Vaxium does. So I went with them, and I'm really excited. It should change the look of the car completely, and really hoping that's gonna change the look of the front end. And I've honestly replaced every single light in this car already. I think everything: tail lights, corner lights, interior lights. I mean, everything. Even the freaking trunk light I've replaced. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. I want to see how it turns out. Headlights are usually pretty easy. You got one bolt here, one bolt there, and they slide right out. Headlights on these cars are extremely simple, so it shouldn't be a terribly hard job, but I'm really excited. Let's get this sucker on. This is the, I guess, driver's side. This is the one basically that they call the charger light. I don't know, these don't look very smoked to me. I'm a little confused now. Oh, well, maybe they are. Maybe they call it back smoke, because it doesn't have, the other ones have a little chrome on the side. So yeah, a lot of guys think they, these kind of look like Dodge Charger lights, but I think they look better than Dodge Charger lights. So let's go ahead and put them on. All right, so like I said, these usually just go right in. All right, one down. Like I said, guys, pretty simple. Take this off. One bolt there, one bolt there. Make sure you lined up the tab like I was gonna do. Just line up that tab. There it is. So that one. Yeah. This is much nicer. Much nicer. Okay. All right, we'll put it in. Pretty simple. Oh, I'm excited to see how they both look. Now they're both lined up this time. Both plugged in. Wow, these are much better. Kind of changes the front end of the car completely, huh? Oh boy, now I'm excited to get the car started. I'm not gonna turn them on until I put the bumper on. I want it to complete look. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the bumper back on, get this thing all buttoned up, and then I hope you guys like it. Change another thing, but I want you guys to see the complete look here in a little bit, and it should be fun. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, number 6 of these changes. I've done this 6 times in this car. Yeah, I got problems. All right, guys, I'm really excited how this car turned out. It's honestly probably one of my favorite looks on the car. Really happy with the way it turned out, and I hope you guys like it. It's not a crazy switch on the car, but it's a switch, and I'm really digging the headlights, and I hope you guys like the wheels. So let's look at it right now. All right, guys, so let me show you what I got, because I like these. All right, these wheels, these are P51 wheels. I don't know the name of the company that makes them. Avant-Garde, that's what Kayla told me to make them. So these are P51 wheels. I really love this 19 by 10 in the front and 19 by 11 in the rear. I had my calipers also try to color match to the stripe. It came out a little bit darker, but I'm okay with it. And I just really like wanted just to change up the look, because they were black before. There used to be red, and this is more of a little bit different red. It's got some nice sparkle to it, and I'm really happy the way it turned out. And I went with a Federal, I guess, F60. My wife runs them on the Camaro. She likes them. I've driven that car plenty of times, and I like them. So I went with Federal F60 in the front. Like I said, 19 by 11 in the rear with the Nito NT05R. This is my second set of Nito NT05Rs. Absolutely love this tire. No spins. That's what I love about it. Car hooks awesome. I mean, it's gonna spin a little bit from a dig, but other than that, the car hooks awesome. And I'm sure on a prep track, you probably won't have no issues. But 19 by 11, the same thing in the rear calipers. I actually put a power stock kit in the back. I already had it in the front. I put it in a few months ago, but I finally just decided to just do the back, and really happy with the way it turned out. Overall, really happy with the car. Really just, I think it's one of my favorite looks. I mean, I've had a lot of looks in this car. I might hold on to this look for a while, because I love the wheels. I want a little concave back in my life, and the wheels do it. I think it's a plus 50 in the rear and plus 35 in the front. 19 by 10, 19 by 11. 285, 35, 19 in the front, and 305, 35, 19 in the back. So just love the way it turned out, guys. And I've been thinking about getting these wheels for a while. I have a buddy who has them. I'm not usually one to want to do stuff that other people's done, but he has them on a GT350, and every time I seen this car, I was like, man, I love the way those wheels look, and they look so good on his car. He's got his a little wide. I think he's 19 by 11 all around, but just, I said screw it. And one thing about these wheels, guys, 20 pounds a piece, super light wheels, and just awesome. I could definitely tell the difference. The other ones weren't terribly heavy, but these are much lighter. The other ones I think were 27 pounds a piece, and these are 20 pounds a piece. So really happy with that look, guys. All right, guys, so I hope you guys liked this video. Hope you guys like the new look of the car. Really happy with the way it turned out. Really just a whole lot better than I thought it was gonna be. I really like the headlights a lot more than I thought I would, and I've been thinking about these headlights for a while, and it really just changed the look of the car. So if you guys like this video, give us a big thumbs up, and I hope you guys stay safe out there. We'll see y'all next time.